It's an intensive all-day, everyday program, and today they're preparing for a weekend haerenga.
This is a new space. Corrections, police, everyone in their system, they're all shook at the moment because there's this movement that Grace is doing that they've never seen before.
Heading to the far north, a first-time trip together. Busloads of gang members, some would say high risk.
This is setting the precedent. No one's done this before.
Staying at Ngāti Manawa Marae, it's another opportunity for us to embrace our tūranga wawa, our identity.
Grace Foundation is breaking ground and taking tāne wahine out of the rohe on a haerenga. And it's a reconnection haerenga. It's a connection to whenua, to iwi, to hapu, to marae, throughout Aotearoa. Find that sense of belonging as part of their healing journey.
With a population of less than 100 people, the remote rural hapori of Panguru have agreed to host the Grace Foundation along with all their whānau.